Welcome to the Fabulous. Don't forget to like and hit the subscribe button to get more fab videos. Get ready, you're up against millions of years of evolution, decades of corruption, billions of dollars of propaganda, and a lifetime of habits. You'll be facing a challenge that will require constant vigilance, dedicated planning, and zero tolerance for failure. Today, public enemy number 1 is added sugars. If you review the science on the subject, you'll realize that all sweet treats come from a sour truth. Long-term overconsumption can lead to Alzheimer's, cancer, diabetes, heart failure, high blood pressure, and can even make you age faster. Would you drink a glass of water with 9 teaspoons of sugar in it? Probably not, but that's what you're doing every time you drink a can of soda. Naturally occurring sugar, however, isn't as dangerous. When you eat fruit, sugar is slowly absorbed alongside other nutrients like fiber, but whenever it's processed, it hits the bloodstream almost instantly. A study by researchers at the University of California found that large doses of sugar, like alcohol, wreak havoc on your liver. Furthermore, any overload leaves your body no choice but to turn the sugar directly into fat and store it around your vital organs, leading to ailments such as fatty liver disease in as little as 2 weeks. Why then, if sugar is so bad for us, does it taste so good? Why do we find what is essentially poison in almost all of our foods? Sugar is only naturally produced in fruits and vegetables, which are healthy. Because of this, our bodies evolved to treat all sweet foods as safe. Nowadays, sugar is found in all kinds of dangerous man-made foods. In fact, it's in more than half of the products you find in the grocery store. It's time for action! Find some free time to go to your kitchen and hide or throw out everything with added sugars. Your family will be mortified, but you're doing them and yourself a huge service. Scrutinize all of your breads, yogurts, sauces, and anything in a box. Check the nutrition label and look for words that end in "ose", such as fructose, sucrose, or glucose. Some sneakier companies use words such as nectar, fruit juice, syrup, honey, or even organic cane juice. For the next 14 days, you will cultivate a zero tolerance for added sugars. You will reset your palate and experience a world of new flavors. This no sugar challenge is not something you'll maintain forever. It's a reset button. Create a performance statement whenever you are tempted by sweets. Read it out loud each morning. I don't need sugar, I'm just having a craving right now. Clench your fist when you're offered a cookie. Visualize yourself checking the nutrition labels at the grocery store every morning, and order your sugar craving off the mind bus as well. Quitting sugar is an excellent opportunity to sharpen your skills and learn how to quit even the most addictive habits. You'll enjoy a healthier body, higher energy levels, improved focus and concentration, and the pride of knowing you quit one of the hardest addictions out there. Thanks for watching, and until next time, good luck!